Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. So today's video, we are going to be making over my tiered tray. My tiered tray is still set up from the spring, and sometimes tiered trays can be a little tricky to figure out what to put on them. And mine's even more tricky because it's actually in the shape of a bowl, so it's not flat. So sometimes I have to be creative with what I put on there. So I thought I'd give you my tips for decorating your tiered tray for the fall. So I really like the way I set this up for spring, and I'll probably add some of these similar elements for the fall. One thing I always like to do is have like a tall piece in the back, and then I always come in with greenery, but I'm going to take everything off. Some things you may see come back, but I'm probably going to change it up quite a bit. Okay, now that I have everything removed, I think it's just a good idea to just take everything off. That way you can just put it back, and even if you use some of the same elements, it's not gonna look exactly the same. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just grab some different fall decor that I have around my house. Now you wanna think smaller type items that are gonna fit well on your tiered tray. So I'm just gonna go gather the items, and then we'll start playing around with how they look best. I have all of my decor pulled out, everything I think I might use, and now I'm gonna just start kind of figuring out where I want everything. I did grab this Hello Fall sign at Hobby Lobby, and I love this, and I want this to be in a prominent spot, so I'm probably gonna put it here. Now on these bowl trays, they don't sit level, so what I usually do is I grab something like this. This is just like one of those little plastic Tupperware things from Dollar Tree, and I will put that down, and then I can place things on top of it and see how that levels that up. And then what I can do is I can put in greenery around it, and you won't even be able to see that I created those different levels. So that's a tip if you're working with one of these bowl trays. Okay, so I love that. Another thing I love is this little galvanized tin from Dollar Tree. This isn't necessarily fall, but that's what I love to do. I love to add in different elements that aren't typical fall. So I'm gonna try to put that next to it. This could all change. And we do need to add pumpkins for fall. I did a video where I showed you how I picked out the different spray paints, spray painted all my pumpkins. I'll link that video below so you guys can watch that. Just gonna try to figure out my color scheme. I may just do a bunch of pumpkins on this bottom one. That might look cute. I also have these antlers from Walmart. I'm loving these. I definitely want to add these in. These were, they're plastic, and they're $1.34, and they're in all of the fall stuff. So go look for them because those will sell out. I'm thinking I might just do a grouping of my color scheme down below. So I'm gonna try to play around with it and see what looks nice. So you wanna offset your colors. So I wanna try to put this one over here, keep these burlaps separated possibly. And I just kind of play around with it until I'm happy with it. I think that will look really cute if I add some greenery in around it. And I do need to add, bring some blue up here so it's not so blue-green. So I need to figure out a way that I'm gonna do that. And then I'm not sure what we'll do on the top yet. I have this little pumpkin plant from Target Dollar Spot that was $3 last year. So that may be cute up here. I will need to get a riser for that one as well. This is a little candle holder from Dollar Tree. I think these were out last year. And I just have a little Dollar Tree candle in there. So I'll put that up here for now. It's looking a little too green for me, so I need to figure out a way to carry out my color. I like the way that jar gives it a little bit of height, so I think that will work for there. This little welcome sign is from Target Dollar Spot. Dollar Spot has some really great options for tiered trays. So let's see if we can figure out a way to put it down here. I don't know if I like it so perfect in the front. Sometimes I like them to kind of be unexpected. So we'll see. Okay, so maybe let's try throwing in some antlers and see how those look. you guys have seen that when I'm putting this stuff on, I'm really up close. So now's a good time for me to step back, go stand about 8 feet away and look at it and see how it's shaping up and see what needs to be changed. Okay, so I'm not a fan of the antlers over there, so I need to fix that. So maybe this one will go this side. And then this one's kind of sticking up weird as well. And I'm not a huge fan of the welcome sign there. So I'm gonna take that out. And now I need to figure out this middle area. We could use these, like this set of books. Let's try that under here. No, that doesn't look good. That's too big. Okay, let's try my vase here. And I have that sitting here. You can't really tell that that's a vase, so I'm not loving it. Move this clear jar down here and see if I like that better. These little pumpkins from Dollar Tree, I love these. I wish I could find more, but every time I go, they don't have any. I think I like the way it looks better. I'm gonna have to get my sign up higher because you can't see the words Hello Fall. Okay, I'm definitely liking this a lot better. I like the bottom. This is getting there. Now let's figure out the top. I don't think I'm a fan of that. I wonder if we could get this welcome sign kind of shooting out of there. And then we could put something behind it, but I think I like it. Okay, let's try a little baby Tupperware. Perfect. Okay, now I need to figure out what to put in the back there. Maybe this plant. Oh, that looks kind of cute. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm happy with the larger elements here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill it in with a little bit of greenery, and then I'm also going to put in some cotton. The cotton is just little cotton from a Dollar Tree, and I think that'll look really cute if I just kind of sprinkle it in. So that's what I'm gonna do next. To finish off my table, I'm just going to add a few decor pieces and move a few things around to give it some finishing touches. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I decorated my tiered tray for fall. Tiered trays are so much fun because you can really just change them out seasonally, and I love to do it. And I think even for like Christmas, this is gonna look so fun. And so I hope you guys got some inspiration to decorate in your house. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you like this style of video, give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.